What is going on, guys? Dylan with Swift Media here. We are on our way down to Daytona, pulling into this neighborhood to go look at a 1973 Gold Challenger with some black stripes. And it's a project car, but we needed something for the channel. We need a new car for the channel. This build will be directly influenced by your votes. Is that I will be having votes throughout the next couple weeks, talking about engines and pretty much what you guys want to see done with it. Is that it's really kind of a blank canvas. We'll get back to you in just a second. All right, we did it. We effing did it. We got the 1973 Challenger on the back, gold with black stripes. Oh, we'll go and do a full breakdown in just a minute, but man, she's looking good. I can't believe it, guys. We actually scored this Challenger for a great price from a great guy out here selling beauties. E-body. Oh.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty Krab.
What's going on, guys? So since the last clip, it's been a few days. Is that I've worked on the car just a little bit, just putting some other little things, got rid of the flat tires, did all of that. Is that we are just kind of going through it, just going to start working on some sheet metal and cutting out some of this rust. But I'll just do a little bit of a breakdown of what we have done so far. We've got the 72 grill in. This is from the donor car that is my dad's current project. We've finally got some Keystone Classics on the front, got some rallies on the back, way better than these donors that came with it. I mean, I'm a big fan of the yellow wheels as much as the next guy, but this Keystone's definitely looking a lot better. Definitely a lot better. So this car's a 318 V8. Is that not much I'm gonna be doing with this. Is that I think that we're gonna go with a 392 or a 6.2 swap. Kind of matters if you guys end up liking the video or not. But comment down below, what do you want to see done with this car? It's a original gold with the black stripe paint job. One of the coolest things that I've definitely found on this car is this little bullet hole. I mean, that's a freaking bullet hole in here. The car got shot at a few times. It's gonna need definitely a lot of new sheet metal, but can you just imagine driving your 73 Challenger and getting shot at? This car is a California car, as you can tell by the speaker not being totally Swiss cheese. There is definitely some rust right here. We're gonna have to fix all of that. But the trunk rails look really good. I mean, this is unheard of in the South. I mean, yeah, we've got definitely some holes right here. And if you ever want to check your gas tank, it's real easy because this is the gas tank right here. We've got this valance panel. It's got a little dent in it, but we're gonna just keep working on it. Got the dash out. This dash definitely is gonna need some work. The fender tag's a little bent, but we're working on that. And this is a definitely it's a real Challenger. The JH23G. That it's gonna need definitely some work. These wheels definitely a lot better than those yellow ugly things. Original body filler from the factory. Floor pans pretty shot. Gonna most likely end up replacing most of these. Probably just be able to do a little patch right here. I got to get this seat out because they shoved it up in there, but that's gonna need some work. There's a dent in the roof, as you can see by that bent pillar. But don't mind the Taliban target. You gotta know what you're shooting at. Probably go with a new roof skin, but these supports are strong. It's just these guys that are the problem. Got original doors. Is that a lot of people will go through and just mismatch panels on these cars. Like I got a 70 fender with it over there. There's definitely a 70. Is that but we do have the original 73 fender for this side. Cowl seems to be in pretty good condition. I mean, not seeing a massive amount of rust back here. But super excited is that I'm gonna start working on it, just start vacuuming out some rust. But it's finally, we're getting there. I hope you guys are into old dirty, stinky 73 Challengers as much as I am, because that's what you guys are gonna be watching for the next couple months while we work on this thing. Yeah, we'll just get a little time lapse of working on this, working on the old girl. I'm gonna put this inside the car. This is a gem. Oh my god. There's no fucking rust. I was expecting this thing to be fucking Swiss cheese, man. Damn, whoa. And if you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe when you guys have a chance, and comment down below what do you want to see done. Is it, I think I'm gonna keep it the gold with the black stripes and probably put it like a TA hood on, but I also consider getting one of the new Hellcat hoods with the double snorkel. Is that you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then I'll just cut those little scoops out, and then I'll just mount it onto a fiberglass hood. I mean, I'll just go get a flat 70 or a 73 hood, and oh yeah, get this out. Reach through the windshield real quick. Got that. Here, now. For all my Mopar fans, you know how nice this looks. Most of these cars are totally rotten all the way through, but I mean, this is, we got a little bit right here. We'll have to patch that for sure. I'm just looking around. None of that's done. Probably end up just doing a roof skin. Still has the original glue all in there. This will definitely get all swapped out. I'll have to swap this one out. But, holy crap, guys. I think that we might have scored. I think that we might have scored a lot more than I expected. So these Challengers are built on the unibody design by Mopar. So when you really start having to cut all these supports out, you really have to reinforce, because most of the weight, it's not like the frame on body design, is that the unibody is this whole piece, everything kind of builds together to create structure inside the vehicle. And I've seen a lot of people go and just start cutting roofs and doing all this, and they don't reinforce any of it, and then it ends up flexing the car, not ever sitting right. Doors, fenders never line up again. So if we don't have to cut a lot of stuff out, that's going to just make this a lot stronger, a lot straighter car. Good fitment, good fitment. I know you guys have probably seen the Duster out and about, or me working on it or driving it or doing something like that. I definitely tend to post a lot of shorts about it. But honestly, I think the Duster was in better condition than this, but not by much. Not by much. Once these new pans get in a new roof, that's just about all the rust. There's definitely some little stuff in the bottom of the rear quarter panels, but I think we're doing pretty damn good.